They're going to play a Chinese mahjong.
We spiel Mahjong. Das ist wie in Deutschland auch.
Deutschland out. Pung!
Es gibt keinen Unterschied.
Deutsch in laut sagt Pung!
Es gibt keinen Unterschied. Nur das ist in Philippines und dann in Deutschland ist das andere, aber das sind gleiche.
In English, box.
It's still the same. They in Philippines or in Germany. Deutschland, Germany.
Your flower, your pong. Yeah, mahjong so that they can play. Hi, how are you, Reza? I hope the video is okay to you. Hi, how are you? Just take care. Your mother and the Laborde family is always happy. Happy birthday to me. Virgie, like is she not fit?
Fit.
Ooh.
Sa tiin. Picture.
Ooh, dapat
Ano na yan? Siya.
Picture YouTube.